Hello friends, welcome to the Ranking Tech Solution YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about what is web hosting, type of web hosting, how does web hosting work. So I am I will talk about all these things today. So let's start. So friend, so our first question is what is web hosting? Web hosting is a need for every website. Without web hosting you cannot access any website on the internet. That is, if you want to make a website live, if you want to bring any website on World Wide Web, then you will definitely need web hosting. Web hosting enables website to be accessible online, like web hosting allowing user worldwide to visit and interact with website content. Okay, web hosting allocates resources such as storage space, bandwidth, and processing power to ensure optimal performance and reliability of hosted websites. Okay, web hosting offers the necessary infrastructure, including server and data center to store and serve website files. You are accessing the in internet. Okay, and now I will talk about how does web hosting work. Okay, so suppose you have open website and want to make it live worldwide over the internet. So what will be the first step? You will have to find a hosting company. There are many hosting companies who are providing hosting, such as Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost, Hostinger. Okay, now understanding the mechanics behind web hosting. So web hosting is the backbone of the internet, facilitating the accessibility of a website worldwide. Web hosting involves a complex interplay of server provisioning, domain association, file storage, okay, DNS management, server maintenance, and content delivery. Here are 5 points. So I will explain all 5 points. So our first point is server provisioning. Server provisioning web hosting providers allocates resources, such as resources, space, and resources to host websites, typically in data center, equipped with robots, robots infrastructures. Okay, and next, domain association. Domain association websites are associated with domain name, which are like to specific IP addresses assigned by the hosting provider. Okay, enabling user to access the site via the internet. And next, file storage. File storage website file including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MJAS, and multimedia content are stored on the hosting server, organized into directories. Okay, now I will talk about DNS. DNS full name is Domain Name System. DNS settings are configured to point the domain name to the correct server IP addresses, ensuring proper routing of user request to the hosted websites. Okay, and next, content delivery. Content delivery, when users requested a web page, the hosting server retrieves the necessary files and delivers them to the user browsers, enabling them to view and interact with the website content. Okay, and next I will talk about type of web hosting. There are 6 main type of web hosting that you can choose from. Each one comes with its advantages and disadvantages, but you should be able to confidently choose the web hosting plan that work best for you. Okay, so here are 6 points: shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting, location hosting, managed hosting. So first I will talk about shared hosting. Shared hosting involves multiple websites sharing resources on a single server. It's cost effective and suitable for small businesses and small website with moderate traffic. Okay, next our VPS hosting, like virtual private server. VPS hosting hosted allocates dedicated resources in a virtualized environment. It's offer more control and accessibility compared to shared hosting. And next, dedicated server hosting. Dedicated server hosting provides entire physical server dedicated to a single website or clients. It's offer maximum performance, security, and customization optional. Okay, and next, cloud hosting. Cloud hosting utilizes multiple server work together to host websites. It's offer accessibility, reliability, and flexibility, allowing resources to be dynamically allocated and needed. And next, location hosting. Location hosting involves renting physical space in a data center to house server owned by the client. The client is responsible for managing and maintaining their service. And last, managed hosting. Managed hosting includes comprehensive server maintenance service provided by the hosted providers. It's suitable for business that require technical expertise and support for their hosting infrastructure. Okay, so friends, I have kind of told you about hosting. If you want to know about hosting for the very basic, then tell us the details. I will make a complete basic video for you. So friends, this was a short introduction to hosting. How did this video look in the comment section? Friends, if you still have any doubts or question in your mind, so here are my Gmail ID. Gmail ID is info@rankingtechsolution.com, and this is my website. So friends, if you have still any doubts or questions, so you can comment on my Gmail ID. Thank you.